next we have Mrs. Stella Akinso. She's from Nigeria and she is a proud student ambassador. Who is having a 30 years of experience in social and development programs with focus on maternal and child gender issues, more about women empowerment, youth sexual, and about reproductive health. And Stella is a public health practitioner with strong background in reproductive and family health, research, training, and clinical service provision. So she is a trained nurse with 2 master degrees from the University of Cardiff, UK, and also Nigeria. So currently she is a PhD student at Texila American University. So Stella started her career as a research officer at the Fertility Research Unit of the College of Medicine, University College Hospital, where she was training coordinator and research officer. So she worked with national and international organizations and has a great experience in development of donor-funded programs and operations such as UNFPA, USAID. So she has won several awards of excellence for her contribution to social and economic development everywhere she worked, and has publications in national and international journals. Stella is a public speaker, a coach, and a mentor to many. So she is currently the team leader of Nigerian Urban Reproductive Health Initiative, and a position she has held for 10 years. So Stella, so can we have few words from you?
Thank you so much, and hello everyone. It's nice to be here and to speak with you. I must say that I have this privilege to talk to those of you who are listening and then to give you my perspective about Texila American University. For the past 20 years, I have tried to do my PhD in several schools in the UK and some online programs in the US. At some point I've paid and have enrolled, but I have had 2 major problems. One is finance and the other one is time. And so when I heard about Texila American University, I enrolled, and 3 things I would like to say about Texila American University is that the program, the PhD program I'm currently enrolled in, it's of high academic quality. And secondly, that it gives me the flexibility of time. I'm a very busy person. I head a particular project that's being funded by, of which I'm working with under Johns Hopkins University. And it's so time consuming. But then I've been able to pull through. I started in 2018, and here I'm in my 3rd year now, and I'm about starting my project. My dissertation. And so I think that Texila American University, it's just one university that gives you the opportunity to be who you want to be. One of the things I have learned and that has helped me is the referral system. I'm a busy person, but then I'm able to talk to a few of my colleagues, my junior colleagues, and some of my people that work with me, and some people that even are not working with me, to convince them, because each time we talk about it, everybody is afraid of money. The economy in Nigeria is bad, and so the exchange of dollar to Naira is so high. And for those who have actually registered in like Walden University or some other university, they have found Texila to be more, friendly in terms of finance. And then, of course, the payment is scheduled in such a way that it makes it very easy for you to be able to pay. You can pay in 3 installments, you can pay in 4 installments. And then if you are a very good marketer and you are able to market Texila American University, honestly, all you need to pay is your first payment, and then you won't pay anything again. I think that is very good about Texila American University. And again, the faculty staff interaction is quite unique, and it provides opportunity for you to have a real-time interaction with those who are actually giving you your lecture, and then discuss issues that you may have with them, and of course to for them to help you. I know we're talking about referral now, but also there are other good things about Texila American University that people need to know for them to be able to put their money where they have the best option.
Okay. Thank you so much, Stella. If you see, I can still remember that you have made the first payment, and after that, since you have referred so many people and gained the, I mean, referral commission, also you have referred your son itself. So that is
Yes.
the, yeah, that I can see how much you love Texila American University. I mean, learning and about the educational part, because you will be, you are very transparent to all the students. I understand, like, if you see, you have, I hope you remember, you have referred a first nursing student to us, and
Yes.
yes, he is your friend. So
Yeah.
always I get the students from you who are, I mean, mostly for PhDs. And have you, I mean, convinced the student for PhD, and also most of them, you will be, your students will be a doctors. So have you, I mean, tell them about Texila American University, and what is your, I mean, unique point about TAU?
Well, it's just what I have said, where everybody wants something that is pocket friendly, if you understand
Exactly.
what I mean. And
Uh-huh.
so that's the selling point. When I told my colleagues who wanted to do PhD
Uh-huh.
somewhere, and they were asked to come and pay $70,000, and you are
Mm-hmm.
going to pay less than $10,000 for the 3 years in Texila, I was
Okay.
like, Stella, are you serious? And I said, yes, I am. And it's like, okay, let's give it a shot. And so that's it. So people want to see whether it's true. And
Uh-huh.
like I said, if you keep referring, like I
Uh-huh.
told my son, I said, don't sit down there. Just
Uh-huh.
tell your colleagues in the banking industry to
Yes.
enroll with Texila, and what you will pay will just be your first year payments, and then the rest will be your referral
Rest.
bonuses. We sort out the rest. So
Exactly.
that's it.
Exactly, because I can see the students whom you have referred so far. They are also referring so much of students. I can see the
Oh yes.
involvement, because
Mhm.
while you referring itself, I am aware you will be telling all the benefits about Texila or what you are
Yes.
gaining. So that is
Mhm.
most helpful for the students who can
Mhm.
gain lot, because I can still remember you have referred so many students, around six, and they have enrolled
Yes.
successfully, and
Mhm.
we can get the students also from them.
And
So
Toyi is also referring, has
yes,
referred many students.
yes,
So as I
yes.
refer, they are also referring.
Yes, so we
Mhm.
are so much blessed to Texila American University, and thank you so much, Stella, for sharing your inputs to the students, and keep referring the students, and also tell the benefits of Texila as you do always. Thank you so much once again for participating here. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. It's
Thank
a
you, dear.
privilege. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.